Welcome to Exploring the Basics of Real Estate Investing, a beginner's guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started in the world of real estate investing. So whether you're completely new to this or just looking to expand your knowledge, you're in the right place. First, let's clarify what real estate investing is all about. It's the process of purchasing, owning, and managing properties to generate income or obtain a profit. It can involve residential properties, commercial spaces, or even vacant land. To begin, educating yourself is crucial. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts to learn about real estate investing strategies, financing options, and local market trends. Knowledge is power, and it will guide your decision-making process. Next, understand the financial aspect of real estate investing. Calculate costs, including purchase price, loan payments, taxes, insurance, and maintenance expenses. Ensure that the potential earnings, such as rental income or property appreciation, outweigh these costs. Networking is also essential in this industry. Join real estate investment groups, attend meetups, and connect with experienced investors. Networking allows you to gain insight, find potential partners or mentors, and stay informed about emerging opportunities. Once you're ready to invest, consider different options. You could buy rental properties, invest in real estate investment trusts, or even explore house flipping. Each avenue has its own advantages and risks, so choose what aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Before making any investment, conduct thorough due diligence. Research the neighborhood, property history, and market demand to make an informed decision. Poor due diligence can lead to costly mistakes, so take the time to investigate. Finally, secure financing and make offers on the properties you've selected. Work with lenders, banks, or private investors to obtain funding. Ensure your offers are competitive yet realistic based on market conditions and your financial capacity. Once you've successfully closed a deal, congratulations. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game. Stay updated on industry trends, continue learning, and adapt your strategies as the market evolves. Thanks for watching Exploring the Basics of Real Estate Investing, a beginner's guide. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and actionable steps. Subscribe to our channel for more real estate investing tips and tricks. Happy investing!